Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your BNB from Crypto.com to Exmo. Whether you're building your portfolio or just moving assets around, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. I'm here to walk you through it, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Crypto.com and Exmo accounts set up and verified. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app or website and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including BNB. Select BNB from your wallet. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is where you'll initiate the send. Before proceeding, confirm the network you're using. BNB typically works on the BNB Smart Chain, so make sure it's selected to avoid any transaction failures. Now, enter the wallet address from your Exmo account. Head over to Exmo quickly to copy the exact BNB deposit address. Never type it manually to prevent errors. Specify the amount you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Hit Confirm and review all the details one last time. You'll likely need to approve the transaction with your 2FA code. Once it's sent, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. Finally, once the transfer is complete, log back into Exmo and check your wallet to confirm the BNB has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you send BNB from Crypto.com to Exmo in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, always verify and never rush. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.